Alright, hello world. Today I'll be testing the level loader, and in addition to that, I'm thinking I will add to the object spawning agent another array that will be able to basically send like some custom data to the object. Not sure still if I'm going to use the attribute field that I have or the sort of expansion bit that I have. It's going to be like one of those two things. So that's just going to involve me modifying my Python script for that. But yeah, so let's just jump in and start testing. Basically picking up where we left off last time. So I think last time, oh yeah, I had like this other bug I think too where yeah, the bullet sprite for some reason not correct since I added this other object, so probably fix that. I also need to fix that too. This transition is really clunky. Yeah. So I think let me figure out where I last left off in the code. I think it was down near here. Yeah. So basically, yeah, I wrote a comment saying that this is supposed to be the number of pixels wide the level is, but I think there's some issue. Yeah, some issue I need to fix here. Yeah, level high byte width. Yeah, I was like going past it. I think I remember. I think I still have it highlighted here. So 0, 1, 2. Like this should not go past it like it does here. So I think I want to fix that. Yeah, I don't want to go past it because like, what if I want to have something that's really narrow, like a world that only scrolls vertically? If I put 0 here, that means like it's going to go past it and it's going to be 2 screen widths, right? So I don't want that. So let me look where this is being used. Yeah, here. Yeah, load that. Compare with the camera. Yeah, okay. This is this moving in the right direction? This is moving in the right direction. Let me check something. Yeah, BCS. Yeah, just greater than. BCS should do greater than or equal to data, though. So if it's equal to, which is 1, well, what if I just added it in here anyways? Will that change it? I don't think it should. But let me check. Okay. We transition to the next level. 1, 2. Yeah, same thing. Same thing. I figured as much. So why? Why? Player X update, no cam. Maybe that's because that was the left direction. If I do this one. Handle right movement. Cam edge right done. Yeah, I think it's got to be something along these lines. Gotta be. Still same spot. I figured that would be the same. What is permitting? Where else is this being used? I was messing around with my theme editor. I don't like this blue highlight. Let me see if I can change that really quick. Actually, would that be in here? Would that be in this style configuration? Where is this being used? Yeah, it's like some indirect highlight. Incremental highlight? Is that it? Dang. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's gotta be one of these things, I'd imagine. It's like the background. It's like a dark green or blue. Oh, whatever. I'll fix that later. All right. You have to figure out where all these things are referenced. Is it referenced in here at all? No. It's like only 2 places that this is referenced. Okay. Well, it branches to here. Set move camera left. Checks it in like 2 different locations. Let's see. Someone asks, "What are you making?" I'm making a platformer. Kind of show what I have right now. Here, let me reset. It's a MMC3 game. Right now, I'm just kind of working on a generic engine for the MMC3. I've got 8-way scrolling, items sort of working, collision detection, object spawning. I can transition between levels, although I'm kind of working on that at the moment, just polishing it up. There's some logic that I'm just trying to clean up. Mainly dealing with the width of the level. Ah, yes. Yeah. Looking good. My game is MMC3 as well. Nice. Yeah, MMC3 is very nice, I must admit. It's really good having all of the memory. Memory is cool to work with. Not only that, but yeah, the interrupts for horizontal scan lines. It's fun to mess around with that. Lots of cool stuff you can do with this. Yeah, it's neat stuff. Yeah, how long have you been working on your game? I wonder. For me, like this, I've been working on this for, let's say, about on and off, like maybe 2 years. I'm really starting to just make progress on it, though. Key is being consistent. Right, so about 2 years as well. Yeah. Yeah, this stuff it was supposed to be a month, you say. Yeah, that stuff happens. Yeah, takes a long time. See, someone asks how to compose 8-bit music that fits in the game. Well, I mean, there's many different ways of doing that. I personally just use FamiTracker, and I compose music there. Let's see, I can pull up. Let's see, do I have FamiTracker on my desktop? One of these I do. Let's see, is this it? Yeah. So you can use like this tool here, and you can load your music in. Basically, you can create an instrument, and yeah, NES has 2 different pulse channels, a triangle noise, and DPCM. Someone asks, what sound engine am I using? I have yet to write my own sound engine. I'm thinking about writing my own. I think I might use the Gradual Games one if I opt out of writing my own, just because it's pretty solid and it's lightweight and fast. But that's something that's on my to-do list still. Usually music is like the last thing I worry about. Although I'm getting pretty close to dealing with that right now as far as like this engine is concerned. I just need to like polish up this level stuff, some of the projectile stuff, some of the object spawning stuff, and then yeah, implement music / sound, and then actually start focusing on game specific stuff. You're using Famitone 5. Okay. Famitone 5. I'm not sure if I've ever used that. Let me look up what that is. Interesting. Well, I probably shouldn't go through all the specs here. NES Doug, I've heard of this guy before. Let's see. Volume support, full range. Oh, this one supports the effects too. I wonder what the license is on this. Holy crap! Public domain. I love public domain. Interesting. Okay. Dang, well maybe I should look into using this. Yeah, I wonder what the performance is on this thing. Oh, they have some metrics here. Okay, okay. ROM size, smaller size, okay. Dang, well maybe I should look into this. Yeah, you think it's the most popular sound engine at this point? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I should definitely look into it. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, I was thinking about writing my own, but yeah, why reinvent the wheel, I suppose. Although I think it would be fun just to write my own engine. would be kind of time consuming though. And yeah, I really just need to make progress on this. Someone asks why the Japanese version of Castlevania 3 had a different sound chip. Well, it had a different sound chip because the Japanese version is able to render those additional sounds off of the cartridge, whereas the American one natively doesn't have that support. So yeah, GG sound is up there too, though. Yeah, I think NES Maker uses GG sound too. I could be mistaken though. I don't know for certain. Yeah, you gotta run. Well, thanks for swinging by, Matt. It's always nice to have a little chat. Okay, let's jump back into this. So let's see here. Yeah, I wanted to figure out why this comparison is not doing it for me. Why does this comparison not? I guess I could kind of I could just cheat here and subtract. Or maybe I can't, not if I'm at 0. Yeah, because this should be giving me, like, what was it, 2 that I wrote? Let's see. Where did I put that? I think it was it near load? Which is down here somewhere. Yeah. Okay, it's 1. Right now it's 1. So, this is, if this is 1, and I'm comparing to this, which is like, it gets to the point where it's like equal to 1, and then greater than 1. I guess I don't subtract. I could just add here, right? It's just... I shouldn't have to do that, though. Why? What am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? Yeah, I don't want to have to add. Compare, yeah, BCS. Greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Branch greater than or equal to. Yeah, if it's... Yeah, check for overflow. This thing is not, not that high. Check if against right edge of world. Yeah, it's freaking 1. This is loaded as 1. So 1 should be greater than or equal to this. Yeah, it's listed as 1. Listed as 1. What is the problemo? That is the question-o. What is the problemo? God. Yeah, I want to break out of here. If it's greater than... Screw this. I'm just gonna add a freaking debugger here, because I don't know. Okay, I don't need this. Okay. I need to figure out why that is. Why that is. Okay. Actually, what are these other ones? Can I just delete these? Okay. Run. Bam, bam. Okay. 0. Now, I guess let me just turn that guy on. Okay. Yeah, it's 1. Is that not 1? Right. Right. This is 1. And we're comparing it with 0. This thing... Yeah, check if the camera's on the right edge. and this is... Okay. Yeah, 1 is greater than 0. Yeah. Register 1 is greater than 0. So branch. But what happens when... Yeah, now it's 1 here. So one compared to 1. And it branches. Maybe I don't want to branch if it's greater than or equal to. Maybe I just need to branch if it's greater than. Branch if it's greater than. Because if it's equal to, then I'm saying that I'm not on the edge. So I have to say, basically I have to do, how can I do this? If it's equal to, right, and this is, this is 0 at first, and then it goes 1, 2, 3, whatever. And I'm saying if the register 1 that's greater than or equal to cam x, which is 0 and 1 initially, then we're not on the edge of the screen. And really what it needs to be is like that. But at the same time, I kind of don't want to add extra code here now that I'm thinking about it, even though this would make it logically correct. Adding this extra check here. Basically what I would do is this. I would branch here. If it's equal to, I'd have to branch here to down here. And I kind of don't want to do that. But I think I might have to. In order to get that capability of having a smaller screen in. Yeah, this is ugly. Just make a label. Cam X right edge of screen. Essentially, I believe I would need to do that. Let's see. Okay. Yep. Interesting. Okay. To modify the left. Okay. And I need to see how many screens is that. Should be exactly 2. Should be 2 screens. I wonder. Yeah. 2. Precisely 2. Which is what I wanted originally because, yeah, this is 2. This means 2. Okay. Boy, but now I have to think about the left direction. When I go left, yeah, check. It's the left end of the world. Yeah, here. I believe I have to add another check here. Set move cam to the left. We are on the right. We are on the right world edge. So I have to do cam right world edge. That would fix that. Okay. Yeah, that looks like that fixed that. Sort of. Let me reset this again. That's right, okay. Okay. I think I still have to do something similar for the up and down direction. And let me change this data back. I think I need to change this data back. Let's see. Actually, get rid of these comments. They don't mean anything. Yeah, I think I'm okay. I think this is as long as the level used to be. I think it now just has to be -1 screen width. Height should be okay. Same principle here. Okay. Basically, I'm just gonna do this. Okay. What is this one? Such a silly name. let's see if that fixes the issue in the vertical direction. Yep. That was weird. Huh. I should not have been able to scroll off screen there. Yeah, I definitely am going to have to test this more. This loading. But it looked like it fixed that issue of like it scrolling in the vertical direction, and it's not doing that anymore. Yeah, no updates in the vertical direction. That's nice. It's doing what it's supposed to do in this regard. Very nice, very nice. Let me test this again. I wanted to see, why was I able to, that's so glitchy. Huh. I think there's more stuff that has to get reset. Yeah, right here, my player's like standing on top of the floor, like directly on top of it. But I wonder if I do this. No, he's still on top of it. If I do this weird thing where I'm like, if I hit that object. Damn it. Okay, there we go. Still on top. What the heck? There's like some kind of edge case I'm missing. 'Cause I'm not crazy. I saw that thing glitch out. Right there. See? Now he's like in the floor. Okay, I'm gonna just take a screenshot of this. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Let's see. Let me just dump it. Where to dump it? Guess here. All right. I'll screenshot this. And I need to compare. Is the player actually in a different? It's like both are moved in different places. It's like the player is down more and the background is up more. What would be causing that? hell would be causing that? So I'm not going to touch it at all this time. I'm just going to print that screen like that. Okay. And then, yeah, then I'm not going to touch this one either. Enough. Aha. Background. Background is in the wrong position. So the sprite is in the correct position. Why the hell is the... I'll have to... Should I look at the scroll register? The only thing I can think of that has that kind of fine movement is the scroll register. So I should have probably been looking at the scroll register position. This one looks normal to me. Why would the scroll be screwed? Yeah, scroll position's not reset properly. What the hell? It's like freaking shifted. Okay, well, let's try fixing this. Probably should make a comment here. If equal the world. Actually, I don't know if this is technically true. Yeah, I don't know if this should actually be down here now that I'm thinking about it. This might mean I think we might have to check this low byte stuff still. I think that's true. I think I'm kind of jumping the gun here. And it just so happens to work because this is also 0. think I have to do that. I think I have to check this additional spot. Okay. Okay, I think I have to do this. Because, yeah, if it's equal, then we might be on the edge of the world. And to confirm, this basically has to be, I still have to do this other check. What direction is this? Left? Okay. I think this has to be moved. This is so funny. Okay. Wonder if, okay. It looks right. What happens if I add like an extra 20 here? Is it able to handle that? Is it able to handle that? Is it able to handle that? That looks right. That looks right to me. Yeah, scroll is screwed still, but yeah, that looks right. Okay, so I need to do the same thing for this other one. So let me first change that comment. Okay. 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 Okay, let me test this now. That weird scrolling thing happens here. I wonder if it's because of the... Do I need like a +1 here? What will that do? Do I need a -1? What is up with that? It's not how many pixels the world is. These are offsets for the camera, so I wonder if I do 1 right here. Yeah, it still moves. Moved 1 position. But if I do 0, zero, 0. Zero, 0. Should have it. Yeah, it's locked in place now. So really what that number is not, yeah, it's not the width of the screen. It's like the additional. How many additional pixels tall is the level? In this case, it's how many additional? This is 256. We should call this Y, just so it's a bit more clear, less ambiguous. Okay. This could go back to being 0. Okay, I think that makes sense. have to, figure out fix this glitch. I need to fix this glitch. Okay, so we fixed the level numbering in terms of the width and height. So now I can have levels that are one screen in width and one screen in length without any problems. So that fixed that. But now I need to figure out this scrolling thing. Why is my scrolling screwed up? I clear it. There shouldn't be any issue here. Clear screen. What does this do? Manually clear the screen? I don't think I really need to do this. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. Parallax. Main title. A is 0. It should get zeroed out here. Yeah, reset scroll. Load A, load X, I'm incrementing X. Store, 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 ink. Wait a minute. This is in load, isn't it? This is in load. Yeah, this is in load. This is in load, and I don't think... Do I really need to be doing that? In load, that's the question. Yeah, I'm jumping right to the engine here. Yeah, DMA, enable interrupts. So interrupts are disabled here. I wonder if I need like just a separate state. Or I could do that thing where I just wait for another screen to pass by. Yeah, because I think the reason why there's like this weird flickery nonsense that happens in the level transition is because it fades out to black, but then it jumps here to this load stuff, and load loads all the colors back in, and I think it's probably rendering prematurely. I could be wrong. Yeah, loads the colors. This thing. Yeah, this is okay. This just draws colors. That draws colors. Load banks. Okay. Okay, this does. Yeah, bulk drawing. I feel like maybe I should be doing that clearing up here instead of like down here. Let me try moving this. What happens if I move it up here? Oh, you idiot. Not here, here. Okay. It was up before the bulk drawing. Loading banks. Spawning. Wipe out clear objects. Where the heck is it here? That's the bank swap. Oh, right here. Maybe I do it right here. Let's see. No, I'm still getting that. do not want to see that frame. I don't want to see that frame. Where do I see that frame? Where and why? Where and why do I see that frame? Now this is fine. What if I did this? What if I did this? What if I did this? Jump to main. Where is main? Jump to end. Okay, so what if I, instead of doing you, instead of jumping to load the next level, if I just jump to the end here, what does this give me? Do I see any jumpiness? No. So I must be turning on rendering during load? How silly. Silly of me. Yeah, because it stays black here. Are the colors you have set for the text color in your editor purple and green in reference to Evangelion? No, but that is, yeah, I didn't even notice that. I just like purple and green. They're good colors. And that's a great show, by the way. Greatest thing I've ever seen in my life, as a matter of fact. Love that. 10 out of 10, nothing even compares to it. All right. So my rendering is, I must be turning rendering on in the load level. Again, because when I go here, everything fades out and it stays black, as it should. So if I go to the load, that does its stuff. That does its stuff. Oh, I never actually disabled rendering. I never actually disable it. I just, I'm just turning the colors to a black palette. So, yeah, that will be a problem. I need to disable rendering. That's what I really need to do. 'Cause yeah, right here, this is going to load the new colors in. Yep. And right here, this is why I see it again. Okay, so that's why I get that flicker. That makes sense to me. Yeah. Buffer draw flag. Do. Okay. How do I want to do this? Yeah, I want rendering to just totally be disabled. Oh, what I should really do, disable all rendering. Then load everything. Then maybe I should like fade in. Maybe I should write code to fade stuff in. So just jumping into the level. So fade out, fade in. I don't know. I need to think. I don't know if I really want to do that. I like fading out, but sometimes it's better just to throw the level right at you instead of fading in. Okay, well, just checking to see if I, let's see. Okay, those are bank slots. Yeah, I was just checking to see if I already like enable. No, okay, I enabled DMA. Yeah, essentially I want to enable rendering here. Yeah. Let me all right, I'm going to need to, what am I going to need to do? What are my flags? I don't need to do DMA. Static load seam. Okay. Okay. Buffer draw. Okay, it's this thing. Do I ever set this? Yeah, I don't think I do. I don't think I do. I think I'm supposed to do that, and I'm not doing that. Let me just paste that. Okay. HUD helper. Yeah, I just need to. Yeah, I think I need to set this thing. Yeah, where else was this guy? Disable rendering. Okay. When I load, I don't want to show anything when I'm loading. I think this should work. Okay. Yeah, we don't have that extra weird frame in there. But scrolling is still fucked. Yeah, that's so weird. Yeah, weird. Weird, weird, weird. What? Oh, wait a minute, what? What happened there? I think there... What could have happened there? Man, I need to freaking hit this object. Why am I not hitting it? It's there. There we go. What the hell? Still getting it? Still getting that? Why? For split frame. Oh, that's puzzling. How? How though? Like rendering is straight up disabled. Yeah, rendering is disabled. Load the colors. Do the drawing. Yeah, and the scroll should be reset here. Actually, where is the scroll? Is not reset there. Scroll is reset here. Okay, yeah, and that is set. That is set. Yeah, then bulk drawing is done. What am I forgetting? Yeah, enable rendering is done down here. Date item display. Actually, does this guy enable rendering at all? So yeah, this guy disables rendering. and then it enables it. So I guess it's kind of redundant. To enable it here. Unless I just get rid of it and get rid of that call there. Yeah, does enabling that does that cause me any grief elsewhere here? I don't think it does. I think I just need to I don't know. Maybe man, I don't know. Oh, 'cause it, shoot. Yeah, this is done in other places. Shoot. How many other places use this actually? Just one? I mean, it doesn't even need to be a subroutine then, really. I wonder if I... Is it fade to black? I call this here. This shouldn't really matter. I wouldn't think. Still. Why do I see that? I need to look at what is happening in this view. Let's see that. Okay. It's for like a split. Is it because it's like... Okay, I need to do this like frame by frame. see if I can do this. Let's see if I can do this. 240. Record this. And let me see what happens. Okay. Yeah, so screen's black, shows this. Which yeah, so the scroll is shifted. Yeah, it's like it's premature. Somehow I'm prematurely enabling this thing. And I think it's on that bulk render thing, the bulk draw. Yeah, and the scroll is still fucked. Like, how? How is that? How is it? I don't know, and the sprites are still in the same position too. And then bam. Like, what is happening there? What is happening there? Well, didn't need this, so I can get rid of that. There's something in this level load. Unless I want to clear things out here. No, it's gotta be, yeah, it's disabled here. My problem is in level load. Disable rendering. Yeah, and disable rendering. Just clears that out. Clears it out. enables it. Yeah, I'm just wondering for that bulk drawing stuff, should I just... Maybe I should just remove it from there. What does this give us? What does this tell us? Still feels like there's... Well, the scroll is still messed up. Yeah, still. So this was not my problem. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What could be the problem? It's this one. Maybe it's this. From compressed. Disable. Do bank swap. Why would I want to disable interrupts here? Why would I want to do that?
feels like I want to have these enabled. Okay. What does this give us? What does this give us? Still funkiness with the sprites. I don't think the interrupts be causing this weird issue that I just saw. I don't think that makes any sense. I guess it does. What could be causing this? I might need to just sleep on this issue. It's probably related to this scrolling issue as well. Oh, the scroll is not being properly set. Like, look at that. Like, come on. Oh, man. If this is the case, but I want to do this. But I want to do this in here. Still the same problem. Still the same problem. Don't think this bulk drawing from compressed. I don't think this thing does anything with the camera. Nope, doesn't do anything with the camera. I think I'm gonna have to use the debugger for this. I was hoping I could just shuffle this around and have it work, but I think I have to really look into why this is happening. That sucks. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, and render string stays disabled. If I understand this correctly, if I comment this out, enabling should not be enabled then. Rendering should not be enabled. Okay, correct. What could possibly be causing this issue? Could it be this? What if I get rid of this? And then it's not gonna write. And it's not gonna write the colors. Yeah. No colors written too, because it misses its window. What if I do this there? Can I do this up there? Could I possibly do this here as well? No. It's like it loads it right the first frame and then it like messes with it. So odd. Let me record this. What? Weird. Still getting this. I really need to know why. Delete. What the heck? What the heck? Man. Well, yeah, it's getting pretty late. I suppose I should stop here. I need to think about this issue more. I need to think about what could possibly be causing this. It's probably, yeah, I'm probably doing something redundant. That's my feeling, and I just have to dig around more to figure out where this error is occurring. Yeah, frustrating. Very frustrating. Yeah, didn't really get much done. Not this stream, at least. Fixed up some code in regards to the size of the level. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I'll have to think more about this. Probably use the debugger to really iron out the issue here. Yeah, all right. Well, I guess that'll be it. At least for this time. All right. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.